Hello everybody, it's Ria here again from Maisie Moo. Today I'm going to put together the Bliss Bow for you. I've had a few requests for this, so I thought I'd pop out to my studio and show you how easy it is. So first of all, what you need to do is cut out your pieces of faux leather. I've gone for the two-tone look, similar to the one in the listing photo that I have. I had some faux leather on hand which has got like little beads on it, and I've been dying to use it, so I thought this would be make quite a nice Easter bow for Isla. It wasn't the easiest to cut, but I used my rotary and it seemed to work. Okay, so what you need to do is you want to take both your pieces, they're a little bit floppy, lay them out with the larger piece first, and then you take the piece with the four, I suppose you would call them flaps, and you want to line that up in the middle. So take your time with this because you want everything to be nice and symmetrical. Okay, so what you want to do is glue them together. So I've gone for hot glue here. I'm going to be using a variation of hot glue and the super glue, so make sure when you've put your glue on it is stuck nice and fast. There we go. So make sure it's all lined up. Okay, right, next you want to start from the two outer flaps, and you're going to bring the tabs into the middle. What you want to do is you want to line them up. So you've got that little corner there, you want to line that up with the middle of your bow and ensuring that you can't see the back as well. So glue those in place. Okay, I'm going to speed things up a little bit here, and I'll just do a little voiceover, but yes, so you can see one side I've got the two outer flaps, and I'm going to repeat the same on the other. So you want to glue them down, making sure that they're lined up nice and evenly. Okay, so you're onto the middle piece. Again, you're wanting to glue it as you did with the other ones, lined up exactly the same, so you've got room for your strap, and you can see how that's looking quite symmetrical. Okay, so you want to bring the two inside or outer pieces to the middle. You want these center tabs to actually overlap, because you do not want to see the tab on the side, and you'll see when I go, you can see there that it's quite bulky in the middle of this bow, but it actually helps keep it quite firm. Okay, so you want to pop that on your tail, and I can't really tell, but it's a pink tail, and glue that in place. Okay, so right, you can see how everything's lining up. It's nice and symmetrical, which means you can add your strap. So I have got a nice big alligator clip that I'm going to glue to the back, and I use a big clip because this is for Isla and she has lots of hair. So glue that in place, and then what you want to do is add a touch of glue to the end of your strap, tuck it underneath the alligator clip, and then you want to carefully wrap around the centre of your bow, again gluing in place. There we go. So tuck it underneath your alligator clip. Okay, so you can go back after and you can glue that tail a little bit more firmly from behind to your the front bow piece, but that's pretty much it. Okay, now something you do get when you cut out this bow is bits of scrap material or faux leather. So I am going to make some matching snap clips from the centre parts of this template so nothing's wasted, and then it will be like a wee set. So I might pop a video together shortly. But thanks for that, and I hope it makes it a bit clearer.